welcome to this video. You click done. Thank you, my guys. And I am Advanced English. My name is Liton. In video, I share you with you winter season Bangladesh going now. Winter season Bangladesh going now. It's fog. Everybody fog. Sorry, every location fog and every place fog. I am shivering. You can practice English me with me shivering. If have you fog or shivering, you can something say nice. Okay, so my behind you see a cow. Okay, and cow, and I am walking this moment, winter moment, and it is morning time. What's up, everybody? You can asking your friend what's up, winter morning. Okay, so I can see God. Okay, and cow, as my see can see you see rice. So dears, I hope my video like you, done you, subscribe you, no ignore me people, love me very much and comment my video, please. Thank you, click watching this video. Bye bye.